I just want to do a video showing the chicken and how much you have to cut off from the chicken. You see all that you have to cut off? It's like cutting through chitlins. It's really a dirty meat. And then you compare it to the pork chops. And I just don't understand why people always say, oh, pork chops is bad or pork is bad. But the pork chops, you can just open them right up. And there's a little bit of fat, but it's not the bad fat. And it'll just blend right in with the meat. And you don't have to go through and cut all this. But you have to, once you get through with it, you only have a little bit of meat left. Because it's all the gristle and all these fat pockets and the veins. And it's really like cleaning through chitlins. And this is chicken breast. And this is not chicken thigh. It's not chicken legs. And I just don't understand why people say, oh, chicken is so good. It's so perfect. And it's lean meat. It's clean. But maybe it's the brand that I'm getting. Maybe I could find a better name brand. But I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison. Just, because I don't understand people say pork is bad and pork is such a dirty meat. But the chicken breast is just, lately it's just very dirty.